We are at the Humwe, the Cosmas Magaya Cultural and Education Center in Mondoro, Zimbabwe. Humwe means togetherness, and Cosmas Magaya is the late great Mbira player who is one of the founders of this Mbira school where young children learn about the culture and music related to Mbira, and we're going to hear some songs in the next video. And please check out the website homwe.org, HOMWE, which means togetherness, and see all of the great things that they're up to. And these kids are going to blow your mind with their playing. It's so good. I'm just absolutely baffled at how great they play. The youngest one here today is 8 years old, and the oldest is 16. And they're going to introduce themselves in another video. And the oldest student has been coming to the school every Saturday for 5 years. So they are dedicated, which is also impressive. All right, thank you.